Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to create a crowd simulations by using the iClone 8 and import into Unreal Engine 5 to make it become the game assets of the crowds in your Unreal Engine 5 game project. Now you can see all of these crowds, they have the facial expressions. They have the facial expressions like the eyes blinking, mouth talking, etc. and also the body motions. And all of these crowds are simulated by the iClone 8. So start from now, I'm going to show you the step-by-step how to make this. How to make any of the crowd simulations just in one click and then later send it to Unreal Engine 5. So now, the first step, I'm going to clear everything. I'm going to close the Unreal Engines. I'm going to just start a fresh new project in iClone 8. I click File, New Project, and I don't save it. And I don't save anything here. Then look at my desktop, it is totally clear and empty, and later all of the demo files I'm going to put it here. Alright, first step in iClone 8 to create the crowd simulations. The first step, just need to click the pack, then click the project. You should be able to see an actor group. Double click the actor groups, then look at all of this. You have a few options in iClone 8. These are the embedded contents in iClone 8 3D animation software. For example, the two-person talking. Drag and drop into your scene. Then the presets. The preset here, you can just choose MM means male and male. If you want the female and male, or just two females, you can just click randomize actor, then randomize it, then you can have two females. Alright, now you have two females. If you try to play, now you can see you have the animations. At the same time, you have the facial expressions like the eyes blinking, mouth talking. Same as this girl as well. See, you have the mouth animations, you have the eyes blinking. Right. So next, close this, and we can create more. We just drag it. For example, the three stand actor groups, 3-person stand together. I drag it here. Right. Then I want to randomize the actor because of these two actors are repeated. So I randomize it, all of the actors. I click randomize. I don't want to see the repeated female here. Alright, now everything should be okay. Then I close. Then I may just drag another actor group, drag and drop here. These are people's line up here. Are all waiting. Alright, then I click OK. Just move it like this. Alright. So if you try to play, now you can see all of these crowds. These crowds are already have the animations. This person looking at the phone, the eyes blinking. Yes, the eyes movements, eyes blinking. So everything are completed. Next, we are going to import it into Unreal Engine 5. I'm going to just open the Unreal Engine 5. This is the Unreal Editor 5.3.2. As demo, I'm going to just start a fresh new game project here, a third-person game project. And everything starts from beginning. I click Create. Right, now you can see at here, the first step, what we're going to do is just export as FBX, but you have to make sure you go to the scene. Wait, this is iClone 8. you have to go to the scene and make sure you expand all of the actor group. Then you hold the control, click the first one, then make sure you don't select the box, you only select the actors. You can see once you click it automatically select it. Alright, then Kelvin, Llama, Business. Alright, now all get selected already. The next step, we need to export as FBX. So now you can see the Unreal Engine already opens, and this is a fresh new project. Alright, now in iClone 8, you click File, Export FBX. The target tool preset, you have to choose Unreal. Then you have to choose the range. For example, I just want to have the range over here. I can just select it like this. I try to play. Alright, if I just want to have this range of the animations, click File, Export, FBX. The target tool preset, choose Unreal, FPS choose 30. Export range, you have to change to the range as you already plotted here. This is the range. Click Embed the texture, click Export. As demo, I'm going to export it on my desktop. I just click create a new folder. Name this as crowd01. Then I enter 2 times to enter the crowd01 folder. The file name, I'm going to name this as crowd01. I click save and click OK. It is going to export as FBX file for Unreal Engine. Now it is exporting. You just need to wait for a while until it is already one by one exported. You can just look at your folder. It is on your desktop. You just right click here, desktop. Alright, under the desktop is crowd01. You can see it export one by one for all of this movement. For all of these actors, the 3D avatar, it exports one by one. But later in Unreal Engine 5, I'm going to show you the step-by-step how to recover all of the motions, all of the crowds originally from iClones in Unreal Engine 5 just in one click. So now you can see you already exported. And then next what we're going to do is just import all of this FBX file into Unreal Engine. So in your Unreal Engine 5 here, you have to click the window, content browser, just call out the content browser once. Then drag and drop to the bottom, like this. Then go back to the content folder, right click here to create a new folder, name this new folder as crowd01. Press enter 2 times. It will enter the crowd01 folder. Next, click all of this. You can just hold the control, click one by one all of the FBX file, then drag and drop into this folder. Then make sure you select the skeleton mesh, import the mesh. Under the advanced, you have to expand it and make sure you import the morph target. This is very important. Then import animations, you have to take it to select it. Then the animation length, you have to change it to animated time. Then click import all and wait for a while. Now it is importing one by one. Once finished imported, it will pop out a message log. You can just close it. Then now just look at your folder, everything already imported. So the next step, what we're going to do is just go and find all of the animation sequence. But before that, you need to just make sure all of the materials set up properly. Of course, you can just import the animations into the scene. You can see, you look at the green color, you move your mouse cursor, you can see this is an animation sequence. Click, hold the control, find all of the animation sequence. Make sure you only select the animation sequence. Always hold the control key to just select it. Alright, just check again how many of it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Totally 8 of them. Then you can drag and drop to your scene. Then you can see it exactly recover exactly the same like just now in iClone 8. This is the original positions. Now in Unreal Engine 5 already recovered. But now you can see the material already wrong. So to make sure the material correct, maybe you cannot just directly use the Unreal Engine's FBX presets. We try another time. Just go back to the content folder, just right click to create a new folder, crowd 01, you put crowd 02. Then we re-export again from here, click file, export FBX. For this time we don't choose the Unreal because this Unreal format, it already caused something wrong with the material texture like this. So we don't want this to happen. The target 2 preset, we choose Blender. Alright. Then, or you can just choose Maya. You better choose the Maya because this compatibility is quite high. Choose the Maya. Then same here, choose the range, embed the texture, export it on my desktop, right click, create a new folder, name this as crowd 02. Then the file name this as crowd 02. I click save. Now it is just going to export one single FBX file. You can have a check. So now on the desktop crowd 02, it exports just one single FBX file. We just import this FBX file into the Unreal Engines. So drag and drop the FBX file here. And once you already drag and drop, it is going to just lag a few seconds. You have to just wait for a while until the FBX import options pop out. Same as just now, you have to make sure you take the skeleton mesh, import the mesh. Under the advanced, make sure you import the morph targets. Then import the animations. Animation length, you choose the animated time, you click import all. Then at this moment you have to wait for it to import. Alright, same as just now, once you finish imported, it is going to pop out a message log. You just need to close it. Then for this time it will be much better. Same as just now, you have to choose the skeleton mesh. So the failure, we can just delete it. We don't want all of the failure parts just now. So just delete it one by one, all of this. With the wrong material just now. So for the crowd 02, it will be okay. Just select all of the skeleton mesh. So just select all of the animation sequence from here. You hold the control button, click to select all of the animation sequence. It will be green color. No more. Then drag and drop to the scene. just drag and drop to here. Now for this time, you can see all of the material will be okay, but just check it. You can see the transparency is something wrong. So we need to set up from here. We look at all of these materials, like a ball, all of these materials. We have to make sure we double click it. Then the blend mode, change it to opaque. Then click save. Close. Just fix it one by one. Double click. The blend mode, change it to opaque. Save. Close. Some of them already successfully set. Right, just go one by one. The blend mode, change it to mask. Click save. Close. Mask. Sorry, change it to opaque. Opaque or mask. Close. This one. Change it to opaque. So it still have some. All change to opaque. Alright, no more. Now you can see all of these actors already at here, and this is the crowds that you created in iClone 8 3D animation just now. These are the actor crowds, the crowd simulations. Alright, so now back to the Unreal Engine 5. You try to play your game, and you can just go to your crowds there. We check it one by one. Is that all of the animations included, like the facial expressions, eyes blinking? Alright, so I press escape. I make sure I drag this down and try to play so that I can look at it with a bigger screen. Yes, now you can see this female, have the eyes blinking, the mouth talking animations. All of these crowds already work properly in Unreal Engine 5.3 game project. Alright, everything already done successfully. So in this tutorial, I already successfully show you how to create the crowd simulations in iClone 8 3D animation software and import it into Unreal Engine 5, and we make it become a crowd simulations in Unreal Engine 5 as well. And everything worked properly. This is really awesome, and this is a really convenient way to create the crowds. Alright, if you not yet get the iClone 8, you can just go to my video description to click into the link. That is the official link. You can click into the iClone 8's website and get it from Reallusion. This is really worth. This is just a new features in iClone 8.4. It just released a few weeks ago. This is a really awesome features of the actor groups. You can simulate any of the crowds just in one click, and now as a game developer you should have it. Alright, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy happy 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing. See you.